Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the PulseWave End of Day Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Report. All right, so I just wanted to do a quick video. There's been a lot of talk about what's going on with Bitcoin. I've been showing you the relationships between a lot of the altcoins and along with Bitcoin. As you know, as goes Bitcoin, goes the altcoin market. So let's take a quick look here. All right, so I warned you about the bearish pointer. This bar represented the flash crash, if you will, that happened on May the 19th. It should be noted that a similar flash crash happened on May the 6th of 2010. All right, so you have an anniversary, if you will, in May, and it happened in 2010. Now you're having another one 11 years later, but on the 19th. All right, that is very important to note. Both of these flash crashes happened in May, and both of them resulted in significant losses for anyone holding long positions. It should also be noted that May the 6th, the number 6 is an odd, it's an even day, but the 19th is an odd day. But they have a lot of similarities in common. So this bearish pointer directed you to the low of 29,718. If you look at today's bar, right, we had this one, which was 29,718. This one for today is 28,883. All right, so just as I was, telling you about these things, I warned you that the bearish pointer back here was in play. When we were all up in here, I warned you about that. The market came and got it. It came and took it out just as anticipated. And now we have ourselves a rally alert buy signal for tonight into tomorrow's close. Now, normally when a bearish pointer or bullish pointer is taken out, the markets continue in that direction. But there are times when the market will come in just best to just take it out and then reverse. We didn't close below it. We just took it out on a spike down. Then the market rallies into the close. So there's precedent to suggest I see you in the live chat. So I guess you could say these pulse waves are out of this world. Get it? Because your character is an alien. Okay, I will stop. Oh man, just for people who don't know, that's a powerful comment right there. That is a powerful comment. I really appreciate it. And it's a good point to be taken here. You know, we do these PulseWave reports, and we put it out there so that you can know what's going on and have an opportunity to be able to profit in the market from these movements. All right, so rally alert, we're going to go with it. Right now, we got the rally alert. All right, if we don't get any production, then that's fine. That means the market's just going to fall down. There is significant selling pressure here. All right, so keep that underway. We got significant selling pressure. If we get any technical bounce, we don't know how much we'll get. So you have to be prepared, to do what you need to do. Now, I will say this. If you find yourself ever in a rut, so to speak, where you don't know which way the market's going to break, which way is it really going to go, what should I do, what direction should I be, looking for. The secret, the top secret in the PulseWave reports lie on the weekly price triggers. Okay, that is the big secret in all of this. The daily is for those that want to get in there and grind it out every day, but the weekly is for those that are more snipers. You're a sniper, you're a hunter. You wait for your prey and then you pounce, because you don't just want to get pieces here and pieces there. You want to capture the entire move. All right. That's what that's for. So you can use that to your advantage. If you really want to know where the trend is, look at the weekly, because it'll tell you if you're truly in a real bear market versus if you're truly in a real bull market. It'll let you know that just by looking at the weekly. Again, the daily is for those who want to, bang it out, but the weekly is there for a reason, folks. That's why we do this. That's why we put these things out there, so that you'll be in a position to profit, be in a position to benefit from it. And that's really all we do. That's really all it is at the end of the day. All right, getting you to profitability. All right, that's all we really care about. All right, so I wanted to show you this. This is on a daily chart. So we did come down and take out the bearish pointer as anticipated, but now take a look at the weekly. A little bit different. The weekly is showing you a neutral picture. And by looking at this neutral picture, you can make the argument that the market is trying to base itself out, find a support so that it can bounce and rally from that. According to the weekly, the rally should get you back above 50,000. All right, a rally should get you back below above 50,000. However, you could also kind of fall off the edge and roll over and get down here to the Kumo cloud. All right, so you're in a corrective state. You got overhead resistance and significant selling pressure, but you're at the trend line support, which is what I showed you some time ago as well, where when you were way back here, I let you know, I told you about that 35,000. Go back and look at the Bitcoin videos I've done, and I showed you where the significant support zones were, and we're still here. After all this time, this is where we are. So 35,000, 35 to 40,000 should be the new floor as the market heads north of 70, 75,000. You get that? All right. So technically speaking, the washout has already happened, and the market could be in the position to run from here. All right, we'll see what happens. But as of right now, you can make the argument that the market is trying to form this base. All right. Take a look at the monthly. You don't get quite the clear picture when you look at the monthly, but when you look at the weekly, you do. According to the monthly chart, though, you're nowhere near your support. Your trend line support is down here around the 15,000 mark. All right. So technically speaking, the market is at a crossroads. This would suggest on the monthly that this is the beginning of the correction back down to the trend line support, and that we're going to 15,000 before we race back up and get above 70,000. So 15,000 first, then 70,000 if the monthly is to be believed. All right. So according to the monthly, you are officially in corrective territory, and the market should come down and test the trend line support. All right. See how it eroded back here, and then you came up. Well, this is suggesting that could be the case all over again. All right. I had to show you this so that you could get a perspective, because a lot of people are saying a lot of different things about Bitcoin, but they're speaking without knowledge. I'm showing you the algo chart so you can get the clear picture for yourself. All right. This doesn't mean we're necessarily coming down here to test it, but the argument is there. All right. The argument is there on the monthly. But weekly charts make monthly charts, not monthly charts making weekly charts. According to your weekly here, there's some hope alive. You've been in a corrective state, but you're not hitting new lows every day. You dig what I'm saying? You're not like really trending. You're in a neutral zone on your weekly chart. You're in the neutral zone. The daily has been in a bearish pattern because you've been all this activity's been happening below the Kumo cloud, below the overhead trend line resistance. But it's not a straight down. You're not doing this like you did back here. You're not doing this. You haven't been doing this. You've been moving sideways, respecting the zone, respecting the bar. That's what we call respecting the bar. All price did was just trade inside of this bar all this time. Even though this took out the low of the bar and the price retreated, where did price retreat? Right back inside of the bar. So you're still trading inside of the bar. All right, you're still respecting the range. You're still stuck in the range. Direction still has not been decided. You're in this wide 20,000 point trading range. It's crazy, I know, but this is what the market is giving you. So you can't count the Bitcoin out just yet. This right here is not telling you that you're going to 15,000. This is telling you that you're still in a sideways situation. That's on the daily. All right. The weekly says neutral. The weekly is confirming the daily that you're neutral. You're not trending. You're in a range. You could actually be more specific and say all you did today was just extend the range. All right. All you did was stretch the market out. All right. That's what it's showing you. So once again, PulseWaveTrading.com. You look on your dashboard, just look at those weekly triggers and they'll tell you everything you need to know. Everything. Those weekly triggers are your intraday price inflection points, letting you know where the institutional money is setting, which will drive the market. All right. That's what that's letting you know. All right. So if you want to be a hunter, if you want to be that sniper, you got that sniper rifle and you're just waiting, right, to pluck something off at 1,000 yards away. Well, great. That's what your weekly is there for. If you want to bang it out day to day and see how much you can get out of it on the daily, that's what the daily price inflection points are for. So we got both daily and weekly price inflection points. With that being said, that's all I want to talk about. I just want to show you so you can see for yourself on the screen, on the algo charts, what the algos are saying at this particular point in time. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.